Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report a problem with a Venmo transaction. Let's get straight into it. So to report a problem, all you got to do is open the Venmo app on your mobile device and then just tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and now tap help to access the help center, and then tap report a problem to report an issue with a transaction. Now you just want to select the transaction that you're having an issue with and describe the issue you're experiencing with that transaction, and submit the report to Venmo support team. Now on alternate methods you can just contact Venmo support directly through the app or websites. You can also choose to call Venmo's customer support number. The number is right there on the screen if you want to use that. You could also email Venmo support team at the email address right there on the screen. So these are the methods you can use. You can make use of those to report a problem with Venmo's transactions. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.